Tell us a little bit about the spiritual intensive that's ongoing right now and the potential plans for future cohorts.
Good. You know, I've been healing people for about 40 years in 12 countries, and it's always been through the format of a weekend workshop or a 5-day meditation workshop or a 2-month coming full circle self-transformation course that aims at getting rid of negativity lodged in the subconscious mind. And then I realized that when I go to students and give them a boost, a spiritual boost or a self-transformation boost through these workshops, they feel very high, they feel very clear-minded, and then the busy, hectic life catches up with them. And they start to fall away from their practice. So I realized that continuity over a longer period of time is very, very helpful. So I thought to myself, well, why not present a 10-month period, meet your students once a week, give them meditation, give them the wisdom of the ages from the Indian spiritual books of the Vedas, also talk about the subconscious mind and how to cleanse the subconscious of baggage. So mix in psychology with spirituality, but do it for 10 continuous months, once a week. Throw in Kriya Yoga meditation and see what happens to people. And I find that the students really, really thrive because the subconscious mind of the student knows that they are now on a spiritual boot camp. When you know that you're on a program with me, your soul is alerted. Your soul knows, kind of like if you put a railway car on rails, it's gonna turn and it's gonna go wherever the rail goes. And a spiritual intensive is like that railway rail, and it keeps your life on those rails. You know that you're going to meet me once a week. You know you're going to have the voice of a 10,000-year-old grandfather in your ear because the ancient books of the Vedas they present you with the wisdom of a 10,000-year-old grandfather. And then, of course, I talk to people about their daily lives. I talk about the subconscious mind, psychology, and then we end with the Kriya Yoga meditation, which is very soothing and peaceful.
When people join, there's a weekly live Zoom call. What else is involved? Do they get downloads, PDFs, recordings? What else?
Yes, all of that, yeah. Because it's on Zoom, then they get the video, audio recordings of each session. Keep in mind, it's going to be 40 sessions, so it's a great thing to have for your archives. You also get to enjoy anywhere from 20 to 100 people you enjoy their company, their companionship for 10 months. So these people get very close to each other. And they get Google Slides and notes. On the Google Slides, there's already an audio recording of me explaining the lesson. So the Google slide you get has audio embedded in it. So we've got the slides, we've got the audio recordings, the video recordings. We've got 20 to 100 people in the class, and we've got weekly meditations and continuity.
And are there any exercises that the students can use?
Every time. Yeah. So in one particular session, I'll say, let's take good care of the day. Yeah. Let's be mindful. And somebody will ask, well, how can you help me stay mindful during a hectic day? And I say, here's a technique. Every time you touch your fingertips, that's a physical reminder to be here now, to become aware. And then every time you do this, start to follow your breath. If you follow your breath, you'll land in the present moment. You'll be more mindful. So moment by moment, I'm throwing in techniques. When we finish a session, I send you links for downloading the recordings. In that same email with the download links, you always get 4 or 5 pointers from me in terms of what you need to implement into your life that particular week. So I'll say things like, don't forget breath awareness, or make a vow to take beautiful care of your day. That'll be in the ending of the email where they get the download links.